Hi friends, today we are going to solve grading student problem from the implementation of the algorithms part. The given problem statement is HackerRank University has the following grading policy. Every student receive a grade in the inclusive range of 0 to 100. Any grade less than 40 is a failing score. Okay, so Sam is a professor at the university and likes to round each student grade according to this rule. If the difference between the grade and the next multiple is less than 3, round the grade up to the next multiple of 5. If the value of grade is less than 38, no rounding occurs as the result will still be a failing grade. Okay, so we could do this. First, let us create an empty list where we are going to store the rounded off grades. I guess it's a very easy problem, so I guess I don't need to go for the input types. As you could see, all the inputs will be provided to us in an list format. So if you just basically loop through the list using for each loop. So here the question is that if the grade is less than 40, so if each is less than 40, so no rounding off is required. Just a moment. And we could just append the value. And we will not proceed to any more if and else loop, and we will basically go to the next element. So we'll use a continue statement. Now we will take a value called remainder, and in remainder we would be dividing that with an 5 just to get just to check that what is the remaining value present here, so that you could find if the grade is less than 5 or less than 3 or not. For example, in this case, let's take some example in 84. So if we take 84 remainder, 84 means, if just for example 84 percentage 5 would become 4. So 4 is the value. So once you've got that value, which basically means that it will round it off. So basically we will first subtract 84 minus remainder, which is basically 4, and we will just add 5. So this is the basic idea, and we will get 85. Very simple, very straightforward, no need to use a very big logic. So we'll be checking if remainder is greater than or equal to 3. The spelling errors. Each minus rem plus 5, else not to do anything, and just append the value. Return revised grades. So this is the basic code. Let's run it. Okay, wrong answer. Okay. Let's check. If any grade is less than 40 is a failing score. Uh, that's strange because it should be less than 40, but I'm not sure because basically it in here input is 38, but they are still rounding it off to 40. Okay, so maybe the list score is 38. Maybe the question is a bit wrong, perhaps, but whatever might be, let's just submit it. Many of the problem statement, the input or the problem statement is not been clearly specified. Even if specified, it's not been implemented. I've seen many HackerRank problem which faces the same issue in the cases that it's not implement question is not proper. I think they should spend some time in writing a proper question, I guess. But anyways, so if you like the video, please comment below, send me feedbacks that would help me to improve the content. And as always, I keep on saying, if you think you have a better solution of solving this problem in an even better time complexity, or if you have been able to solve this problem with much less code with better readability, which would ensure that the anybody who's seeing your code is able to understand the code at very ease, then also please comment below. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.